Step 1 is to enable API access to your G Suite for Education domain. To do so, head to admin.google.com and log in to your G Suite for Education administrator account. From the main menu, select Security, scroll down to API Reference, and ensure that API access is enabled. Next, you'll need to set up a Google Classroom project. Go to console.cloud.google.com and log in as the global admin for your G Suite for Education domain. From the Select Project drop-down menu, select a new project. Enter a project name, which must be unique to the school or district, and click Create. After a brief pause, you will receive a notification confirming the creation of your project. Select your recently created project to display it in the console dashboard. In the navigation menu, mouse over APIs and Services and select Library. You now need to enable the Google Classroom, Cloud Pub Sub and Admin SDK APIs. In the navigation menu, hover over APIs and Services and select Credentials. Select the OAuth Consent Screen tab and give the application a name. Under Scopes for Google APIs, select Add Scope and add Classroom Courses Read Only, Classroom Rosters Read Only, and Classroom Push Notifications. Click Add and then Save. Now in the Credentials tab, select Create Credentials and select Service Account Key. Enter a name for the account and add the Pub Sub admin role. Click Create and when prompted choose to save the JSON file. From the Create Credentials drop-down menu, choose OAuth Client ID. Under Application Type, choose Other, provide a name, and click Create. Next to the client you just created, click the download link and download the second JSON file. In the navigation menu, select IAM and Admin. Click Add and enter classroom-notifications at system.gserviceaccount.com. From the Select Role drop-down list, select Pub Sub-Publisher and click Save. The two JSON files we created are required to configure the name and connectivity server. Copy these files and place them on the machine where your name and connectivity server is installed. Open the Name and Connectivity Server configuration utility by right-clicking the icon in the system tray and selecting Configure Connectivity Server. In the Classes tab, select Google Classroom as your class data source. Click the Browse icon and locate one of the two JSON files that we created. Either file can be selected, but both must be present in the same folder. Click Apply and you will be prompted to sign in to Google G Suite with administrator credentials to grant access to NetSupport School. On a Tutor Console Access configuration and under Student Selection, under Sys mode, tick Connect to Sys and choose your school name. Accept the warning and after a refresh you will see you'll be able to select from classes imported from your Google Classroom.